Super rainy outside. What could I do? Let's make cinnamon cappuccino. Let's go. Coffee beans are inside. Let's go. Now pack preparation. Doesn't it look great? Wow. So now cinnamon powder is in the cup, and now I think we will just put the espresso to it and stir it, and after that we will foam our milk. Look at it. Now we need to stir it. Now it looks better. Whoa! So the milk is ready. Looks like wet paint. Espresso shot is ready, and now we're looking for some latte art. Let's go. Doesn't look too great, but now taste test. On you guys. It could be a bit sweeter, but tastes like holiday, Christmas holiday. Maybe you should try it at home. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and a comment. See ya.